Dear friends, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് മോട്ടോർ വെഹിക്കിൾ ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ 2004 നടന്ന എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഓക്കെ, രണ്ട് പാർട്ടായിട്ടാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിൽ 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിൽ 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്, അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എൻജിൻ ഈസ് എ മെക്കാനിക്കൽ ഡിവൈസ് വിച്ച് കൺവേർട്ട് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് heat energy into mechanical energy, mechanical energy into heat energy, electrical energy into mechanical energy, none of these. Correct answer option A, heat energy into mechanical energy. Next question, compression ratio is the ratio between options total volume to stroke volume, clearance volume to stroke volume, total volume to clearance volume, stroke volume to bore volume. Correct answer option C, total volume to clearance volume. Next question, in a square engine options stroke is not equal to bore, stroke is equal to bore, stroke volume is equal to clearance volume, all of the above. Correct answer stroke is equal to bore. Next question, a gearbox is used to options to increase torque and reduce speed, to increase speed and reduce torque, to provide a reverse position, all the above three. Correct answer to increase torque and reduce speed, option A, to increase torque and reduce speed. Next question, ideal stroke. Ideal stroke means suction, compression, exhaust, all the above three. Correct answer exhaust. Ideal stroke means exhaust stroke ആണ് ഒരു സൈക്കിളിലെ ഐഡിയൽ സ്ട്രോക്ക് എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഡീസൽ സൈക്കിൾ ഈസ് കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് വോളിയം സൈക്കിൾ, കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് പ്രഷർ സൈക്കിൾ, കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ സൈക്കിൾ, all the above three. Correct answer constant pressure cycle. Next question, in the process of adiabatic expansion options heat is not supplied or rejected, heat is supplied and rejected, hot and cold body are rejected, none of the above. Correct answer heat is not supplied or rejected. Adiabatic expansion means heat is not supplied or rejected. Next question, clutch is provided with cushion spring, torsion spring, anti-rattle spring, all the above three. Correct answer option B, torsion spring. Next question, the absolute zero temperature corresponds to absolute zero temperature ഏതാണ്? Options 273 degree, 0 degree Celsius, minus 273 degree Celsius, none of the above. Correct answer option C, minus 273 degree Celsius. Next question, Wankel engine is a reciprocating engine, a rotary engine, electric generator, horizontally placed engine. Answer option B, rotary engine. Next question, example of multi-grade oil is options SAE 20, SAE 30, SAE 2040, SAE 90 EP. Correct answer option C, SAE 2040. Next question, motor car frame must be borrow in front. Options to permit sufficient steering lock, to allow maximum comfort to drive, to allow room for spring action, to permit driver to visualize front objects. Answer option A, to permit sufficient steering lock. Next question, AC mechanical fuel pump tests are options pressure test, volume test, vacuum test, all the above three? Answer option D, all the above three. Next question. Aerodynamic drag on a vehicle is experienced most when the vehicle, options, is moving at a low speed, is moving at a high speed, is moving reverse direction, all the above. Answer option B, is moving at a high speed. Next question. Pump is a machine which converts, options, hydraulic energy into mechanical energy, mechanical energy into electrical energy, mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, all the above three. Answer option C, mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Next question. Micros bus can carry, options, 16 to 30 passengers, 41 to 60 passengers, 8 to 15 passengers, over 61 passenger. Answer option A, 16 to 30 passengers. Next question. Which component is made from aluminum alloy? Options, piston rings, piston, gudgeon pin, crankshaft. Answer option B, piston. Next question. Track rod is connected to track arm by, options, kingpin, stub axle, ball joint, none of these. Answer option C, ball joint. Next question. Rotary motion of steering wheel is converted to reciprocating motion by, options, drag link, stub axle, tie rod, steering column. Answer option C, tie rod. Next question. Collapsible steering column. Options, damp rod vibration, improve safety of driver, provide steering wheel adjustment, all the above three. Answer option D, all the above three. Next question. Final drive consists of, options, crown and pinion, sun and star wheel, rack and pinion, none of these. Answer option A, crown and pinion. Next question. In Hotchkiss drive, torque reaction is taken by, options, torque tube, radius rod, rod spring, shackle. Correct answer option A, torque tube. Next question. Odometer is used to measure, options, speed, temperature, pressure, distance travelled. Answer option D, distance travelled. Hydrometer is used to, options, measure the plate condition, measure the specific gravity of electrolyte, conduct open voltage test, conduct a cadmium test. Answer option B, measure the specific gravity of electrolyte. Next question. Part of ignition system which transform the voltage from 12 volt to 16,000 volt. Options, ignition coil, capacitor, spark plug, distributor. Answer ignition coil. Option A, ignition coil. Next question. In CI engines, CRI stands for, options, centrally rotating injection system, common rotary injection system, common rail injection system, none of the above. Answer option C, common rail injection system. Next question. Relief valve is fitted in pump of lubrication system. Options, supply oil to gallery, open when oil is hot, maintain supply of oil in lines, to relieve the pressure when pressure becomes excessive due to clogged lines. Answer option D, to relieve the pressure when pressure becomes excessive due to clogged lines. Next question, superchargers are used to supply rich mixture, supply lean mixture, supply compressed air to cylinder, supply oil. Answer option C, supply compressed air to cylinder. Next question, removal of burned mixture using slightly compressed charge is. Options, supercharging, scavenging, blow by, compression. Answer option B, scavenging. Next question, purpose of thermostat valve is. Options, allow engine to attain working temperature, indicate fuel level, prevent boiling of coolant, increase the boiling point. Answer option A, allow engine to attain working temperature. Next question, direction of flow of water through the radiator in thermosiphon cooling system is from bottom to top, front to back, back to front, top to bottom. Answer option A, bottom to top. Next question, the fines at the top of a motorcycle engine cylinder are larger than those at the bottom because. Options, hot air goes up, top of the engine is the hottest part, extra strength is required at the top, they are in an unexposed position. Answer option A, hot air goes up. Next question, a single cylinder two-stroke engine is rotating at 2000 rpm. The number of power strokes produced per minute is. Options, 750, 1000, 30,000, 2000. Answer option D, 2000. Next question, an engine has clearance volume by 10 cc and swept volume is 70 cc. The compression ratio is. Options, 8:1, 7:1, 9:1, 10:1. Answer option A, 8:1. Next question, cause of rapid tire wear is. Options, overloading, misalignment, improper inflation, any one of these. Answer option D, any one of these. Next question, what happens when clutch pedal is depressed? Options, driven plate move towards flywheel, speed of flywheel decreases, pressure plate moves away from flywheel, clutch disc is pressed by pressure plate towards flywheel. Answer option C, pressure plate moves away from flywheel. Next question, purpose of double declutching when selecting low gears in constant mesh gearbox. Slow down clutch shaft, slow down main shaft, speed up lay shaft, speed up clutch disc. Answer option A, slow down clutch shaft. Next question, which gearbox uses synchronizing unit? Options, synchro mesh gearbox, constant mesh gearbox, sliding mesh gearbox, epicyclic gear train. Answer option A, synchro mesh gearbox. Next question, the purpose of interlocking plungers fitted between the gearbox selector rod is to. Options, hold the gear from slipping, hold the gears in engagement, to safeguard against double gear engagement, to avoid the breakage of lock mechanism. Answer option B, hold the gears in engagement. Next question, method of removing rivet from shoe of brake is? Options: by chipping, by hammering, by punching, by drilling. Answer option D, by drilling. Next question. Drive axle can be removed without jacking up the vehicle and removing tire. Options: 3/4 floating, full floating, semi floating, none of the above. Answer option D, none of the above. Next question. The advantage of hypoid gear final drive over spiral bevel gear final drive is? Options: propeller shaft can be positioned up or down, good contact, easy overhaul, less noise. Answer option A, propeller shaft can be positioned up or down. Next question. Surface hardening to crankshaft is given by? Options: chilling, quenching in oil, melting, nitriding. Answer option D, nitriding. Next question. Hammering the metal blow recrystallization temperature is? Options: hot working, cold working, hot rolling, forging. Answer option A, hot working. Next question. The law which gives the relation between volume and temperature of a perfect gas when pressure is kept constant is known as? Options: Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, Pascal's law. Answer option B, Charles' law. Next question. Opening of inlet valve before TDC in suction stroke is called? Options: valve lag, valve overlap, valve lead, all of the above three. Answer option C, valve lead. Next question. In I-head engine inlet and exhaust valve are located in? Options: cylinder head, cylinder block, one in head and one in block, none of the three above. Answer option A, cylinder head. Next question. Cylinder head gaskets are? Options: plain copper type, copper and asbestos sandwich, plain asbestos, cork type. Answer option A, plain copper type. Next question. Heat dam is cut in? Options: crown, skirt, ring groove, top land. Answer option B, skirt. Next question. Piston pin offsetting is provided to? Options: reduce expansion, reduce tendency to recess, reduce tendency to slap, reduce wear and tear. Answer option C, reduce tendency to slap. ബാലൻസ് 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനായി നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് കാണുക. താങ്ക് യു.